Hi, in this video we're going to go over calibrating the SL-ACE-XW Washdown Tabletop Scale. First off, what you're going to want to do is you want to take off the top plate, the top stainless steel plate, because we're going to be flipping the scale over. Second, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that this compartment is open. So there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. The scale comes with a Allen key, so we're just going to use that to open it up and remove that plate and put it to the side. Second, you're going to need a small screwdriver or some sort of device in order to hit this button in here, which is the calibration button. So I have a screwdriver here. You're going to go ahead and put it in, and you can feel the button click. So first, before we push that button, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. During the countdown, you're going to press the unit button. So we're going to wait for it to count down. During the countdown, you're going to press unit. It'll show LB. So this is the units that you're going to be calibrating in. There's 2 options, kg and LB, pounds. Once you have the units that you're going to use selected, you're going to push 0. Now I'll say F0 cal. At this point, you can go ahead and press that calibration button right in the back. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Once you press that, this will allow you to go ahead and enter and change all these settings. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's level and that all feet are touching. Next, we're going to go to F8 to ensure that the scale is set to the proper capacity. So we're going to use the tare button to go ahead and get to F8. Once we're at F8, you're going to press 0 and we're going to take a look. So this scale, it comes in 4 different capacities. You have 6, 12, 30, and 60. Again, this one is a 30-pound scale, so we're going to go back to 30 and press 0 to confirm that. After that, we're going to go back to F0, and we're going to go to cal. You're going to press 0 right here, and it's going to say cal. You're going to press 0 again. Here are the preset calibration weight that you need to use in order to calibrate the scale. So each capacity has 4 options. So for this 30-pounder, you have 30, 25, 20, and 15. For this calibration video, we're going to use 15 pounds right here, our 10-pound and 5-pound. Again, you want to make sure the scale is level. You're going to press 0. It's going to say unload. You want to make sure there's nothing on the scale and your stable light is on. After that, you're going to, so after it takes that reading, it's going to show the weight. You're going to go ahead and put the weight on top. And you're going to wait for the stable light to read, to show stable. Once it shows stable, you can go ahead and press 0. Okay, but you have to make sure that's done. So it went ahead and passed. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to exit out. And we're going to test it. So we'll put the plate back on. And we'll put our test weight. This is calibrated. If you have any questions or you need any additional help, give us a call, SellEtonscales.com. Thank you very much.